Happy Sabbath. Thank you, Kelly Modembaravi, for nominating me to be part of this Can't Lockdown Praise Challenge. And this evening, we will be singing a Fijian number, and the title of the song is Mai Naveva Nua Yawa. And to keep this challenge going, we would like to nominate the following families. Master Misaele Toto from Lewa village in Ndaribatu.
Mrs. Christine Homelo from Navisau.
And Miss Sarah Rokotakala in Silverbow.
Pinaka, to the following families, to the families that we have announced, you have 24 hours to come up with your song. And we hope that you will be blessed by the lyrics of this song. Pinaka.
To sing.
Mai naveva nua yawa he rakaditi komai kaltanai na lotundi nami keito muriana naturanganda lolomani rongoli keitonga nitalai keito endai me rasa bakamulai nilumuti keito mandaya lotambuni kalo mekeito saka vivakana yadamuni chisu mendala koku sarawaka tiramai bua sabole kandi nasarano nale